This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system.
Report your early scheduled broadcast of the Cream Tide football game to let you know that today is the first alert weather day in the state of Alabama. And right here, we got all this cold air blowing in, and you got the blue stuff, and you got the pink stuff, and down here, y'all just getting this old rain stuff. Down there in Tuscaloosa, we're experiencing a tornado down there. Probably caught with all their head coats down there, but as you see, a major tornado, hurricane, something going on down there. Now, this is all the forecast snow potential here in North Alabama. Now, we got a field report right there live, and going to take some measurements of the snow out there right now. Out to you. This is the report to you from Gullenberg Cove. Snowstorm 2024. It's a blizzard once again out here in the cove. Now, reported 8 inches of snow coming to Gurley, Alabama in Gullenberg Cove. I brought my trusty tape measure to see how much snow we actually accumulated here in the cove. Ain't that much something wrong with my tape measure? Cause it said 0. 0. Hold on, let me see. Something wrong with this thing. Something wrong. Up! 8 inches. They were right. It's 8 inches. It's 8 inches. Back to you. Now, I don't know where we found that redneck at, but we got to get him a better tape measure. Somebody's got to go down to the Home Depot and get him a better tape measure. That was ridiculous. But as you can see now, forecast temperatures are not to be above freezing for the next 17, 11 days after our field report. This is once again report to you from Gullenberg Cove toward Blizzard 2024. We reported 8 inches of ice on the road. The Gurley road crews are hard at work clearing roads as we speak. They've just been spotted. Roads will be clear by 8 o'clock in the morning for everybody to go out and get their groceries. Make sure to get you plenty of bread and milk, because forecasted temperatures are negative 200 degrees tomorrow night. Back to you. Now we got some breaking news out here in Gullenberg Cove, Gurley, Alabama. And we got our field reporter out there testing the slick conditions reported on the roads out there. Reported road conditions are slippery. That's confirmed.